The food truck business marketing concept is similar to other service-based businesses, but because many food truck owners and operators don't own real estate, food truck marketing can be more challenging. As a business owner, you must work hard to build a customer base. You do this by establishing yourself as a trusted expert in your service area. By providing exceptional service, you build reputation that gets customers talking about you, recommending you to their friends, and coming back for more. Marketing is an important aspect of any service-based business. In fact, marketing is the starting point. That's why marketing is so important for food truck business owners. In today's competitive marketplace, marketing your food truck is the difference between success and failure. If you want to learn more about marketing your food truck, keep watching as here's some great ideas to get you started. To start things off, you need to build your brand. People like brands. They identify with them, they want to work for them, they buy things from them, and they trust them. Your brand is the sum of everything you do. It is who you are. It represents the qualities of your business that make it special. Think about your food truck business. What makes it unique? You need to build a brand that is relevant to your target market. Make a social media presence. You should be on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all kinds of other social media sites. You should have a blog as well. If you're not on these sites, you're missing out on a lot of potential customers. People use social media sites to find new businesses, and they also use them to communicate with their friends. Next in line is an online presence. You have to have a website. Most important thing about your website is that it has the contact information for your business. It also should have a description of what your food truck business offers, plenty of images so that people can see what your food actually looks like. This is important because if a potential customer is searching for a particular type of food or a particular type of food truck, he or she may not find your food truck unless you have a description of what your food truck offers. Next up, promoting your business. Promoting your food truck business involves a variety of things, including developing your brand, establishing your reputation as a trusted expert, creating community around your food truck business, building a network or an alliance of connections with other food truck business owners, and building relationships with the local businesses around you. There is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to food truck marketing, but by using the food truck marketing concept outlined previously, you can grow your business to levels you never thought possible. And by following the steps in this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to get more customers for your food truck business. You'll also be more successful at your food truck business marketing. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and get yourself some customers. I also invite you to join the Food Truck Guide community by clicking on the link in the description below.